At Micro-Trak, based in Mankato, Minnesota, we specialize in custom harness and cable solutions built for precision and reliability. Harnessing the power of Zukin software, we streamline every step from design to production. From cables, complex multi-branch harnesses, or rapid prototypes, every build is compatible with leading connectors and 100% tested to ISO, IPC, and WHMA standards. We serve the mission-critical market, including power gen, data centers, and enclosure and shelter manufacturers with diesel locomotive and MCM custom cable solutions. Our wire harnesses and cable assemblies come backed by an industry-leading 3-year warranty, stable sourcing, and flexible production capacity. From prototypes to high-volume runs, we deliver on time with full traceability and competitive pricing. And because details matter, we make harnesses that don't just perform reliably. They look sharp too. Micro-Trak, harnessing your future with custom harness and cable solutions that give your products a proven, dependable edge.